Assalamu alaikum. In last video made this registration form, and in this video we will add a reset button in this registration form where we can clear this registration form. So let's start our video. For this I will go here and click on edit. Now our PDF form is in edit mode. I will add a button. Then I will right click on this button and go to properties. And from properties I can change button name like reset. I will write here reset form and copy this. From appearance I can change appearance of button like this. I will change font color and font size. Then after selecting here label only I will write here. After selecting this layout label only I will write here or paste here our reset form. Then I will go to action button and select here reset a form, and I will add all properties that I want to be cleared or reset. You can see your reset form button is added to your PDF form. You can clear your PDF form by clicking on this reset form. Then I will save this form, and you can see here your PDF button is added to your fillable form and is properly working.